Imagine this, you a teenager running a successful business. Sounds exciting, right? Welcome to the world of Teenage Tycoons, where your entrepreneurial dreams can become reality. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or make a lasting impact, there's a business idea out there waiting for you. First things first, let's talk about why starting a business as a teen is so thrilling. You have the energy, creativity, and tech-savvy skills that many adults envy. Plus, you're at a stage in life where taking risks is not only possible but encouraged. You can experiment, learn, and grow without the pressure of supporting a family or paying off a mortgage. Now, let's dive into some business ideas that could spark your interest. Are you passionate about fashion? Consider launching a custom t-shirt line. With platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you can showcase your designs to a global audience. Or maybe you're into gaming. How about developing a unique app or game that addresses a niche market? The possibilities are endless when you leverage your interests and skills. If you're more hands-on, think about offering services like pet sitting, lawn care, or tutoring. These businesses require minimal startup costs and can quickly turn a profit. Plus, they give you the chance to connect with your community and build a loyal customer base. As you venture into the world of business, remember to keep learning. Seek advice from mentors, read up on industry trends, and never shy away from asking questions. Knowledge is power, and it will help you make informed decisions that propel your business forward. Don't forget the importance of networking. Connect with other young entrepreneurs through online forums and local events. Sharing experiences and insights can open doors to collaborations and new opportunities. Finally, embrace the challenges that come your way. Every setback is a chance to learn and improve. Perseverance and resilience are key traits of successful entrepreneurs, and you have them in spades. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Teenage Tycoons and start building your empire today. Your journey is just beginning, and the future is bright with possibilities.